Is it possible to make a fully functioning website with just AI? AI website builders are one of the hottest trends right now, promising professional-grade websites in minutes without any coding experience. And today, we're attempting to build a website from scratch using AI. So in this tutorial, let's find out if they live up to their claims and if AI website builders are a good alternative to your existing website tools like Squarespace, WordPress, and Wix. Hi everyone, and welcome to AI Marketing and Creator Tools. We're a team of marketers using AI in our day-to-day lives to improve our work, and we want to teach you how to do the same. Since we've grown our YouTube channel over the past few months, shout out to our subscribers, we're now ready to launch our website with blogs and other helpful resources. So as we're building our AI website, we're checking that it has a few things, starting with SEO. Lots of AI tools claim to help with SEO and ranking on Google search, but can they really write blogs that are SEO friendly? Can they analyze the keywords we're ranking for? We also want to build an email list to help reach our most enthusiastic readers. Can AI write personalized emails and marketing campaigns for specific subscribers? And the website needs to be easy to use. I'm not a web designer and I don't want to waste time figuring out how the website works. I want a polished site that's easy to edit. Lastly, I want to see if these AI features are actually worth using and what makes them different from traditional website builders. So let's get to building. There are dozens of AI website builders, and today we're using Hocoos. Now, this video isn't sponsored, but it looks simple to use, so we figured we'd give it a try. Hocoos was also featured in our latest video where we reviewed the 3 best AI website builders linked in the description. Like all the others, they claim to simplify building websites, and since I don't have coding or web design experience, the results will be pretty clear at the end. Hocoos does have a free plan, but in order to really test out the features like AI blogging and integrations with Google Analytics, we opted for the premium plan. Right off the bat, Hocoos gave me a series of questions, and instead of templates like you get with Squarespace or WordPress, Hocoos comes up with a custom design based on your answers. This would probably be helpful if you're an e-commerce store or a salon because it'll give you everything you need to manage orders and appointments. After about 5 minutes, my site was ready for editing. But before we edit the rest of the page, make sure to drop a like and subscribe for more AI tutorials like this one. And we'll leave a link to sign up for Hocoos in the description if you're interested. The next order of business was cleaning up the landing page. Landing pages are like a visual hook. They need to be engaging yet easy to navigate. And most importantly, they need to have a clear call to action. Hocoos formatted the original layout for the navigation bar with a logo and the different pages of my website. I already had a logo, so all I needed to do was upload it. But I was curious about the AI logo creator, so I made one for fun, and while the images weren't bad, I like mine better. They also let you edit existing images with AI, but in our experience, the edits weren't helpful. Using something like Canva or Photoshop is still your best bet. Next, I wanted to update the color scheme with our brand colors, but unfortunately you can only choose from pre-selected color palettes. If you want custom colors, you'll have to use this little paintbrush to copy it from somewhere else. Side note, colors are in RGB values instead of hex values, so importing your saved colors can be kind of complicated. I have to say that editing colors on our website was frustrating at times because some buttons and widgets didn't allow for color changes. Once I was done with the colors, I wanted a button to link to our YouTube channel, and it was really easy to add it with our channel link. For the next part, I wanted to add our banner for some color and a subscribe button to try and add people to our mailing list. To do this, I added a widget, which is how you format and add your text, images, and videos. And they come with variations for maximum customization. There are tons of categories like linking your social media accounts, adding image galleries, or even YouTube videos. I wanted to test out their AI redesign feature, but this didn't really feel like AI at all. Each widget comes with preset variations, and when I tried this quote-unquote AI feature, here's what happened. All it did was change my widget to another preset. Like, what? Editing the subscribe widget was pretty easy. I just uploaded the banner we use for our YouTube channel, changed some text, and voila! Then I added blog and video widgets to highlight some of our existing content. Looks pretty clean, right? And it only took a few minutes. By the way, there's a link in the description to the website we built if you want to see it in action. But for as much as we've done already, it doesn't really seem like AI has actually been used, so when does that come into play? We've seen AI tools like ChatGPT explode because of how easy they make it to write content. So I wanted to see if we could use Hocoos to help with writing blogs and SEO too. So far, customizing the website has been pretty similar to other website builders like Wix. Hocoos comes with a built-in AI writer, and I want to see if it's any good. So far, it can rephrase the text you already have or write original content from scratch. When you're writing a new blog, you can use the Generate with AI tool. Just give Hocoos some info about what your article is covering, and it'll format and write your blog. So since we already have YouTube video scripts that can easily be turned into blogs, I wanted to plug them into the Hocoos AI writer to rewrite them, but there was a problem. The text widgets have a maximum character limit, and I could only copy a small part of the script one at a time. This was a huge pain in the butt. So I ended up putting my scripts into ChatGPT, and it was able to get the job done. The rephrasing did help me come up with my blog title though. Since I already had a title in mind, I used Hocoos to rephrase it, and as you can see, the suggestions were solid. To use AI to rephrase text, highlight what you want to change, select a tone, and you'll get a few new options to choose from. Then I let AI write the meta description from scratch. I explained what the article was about and which keyword should be in the description, and to my surprise, Hocoos nailed it. The description naturally mixed in the keywords I gave it, so I can't complain. Even if AI is building and writing copy for your website, you still have to review and revise the content, plus add your own thoughts. AI is never perfect, and sometimes AI generations can be boring or just outright wrong. To be honest, after comparing the results versus other tools, you'll probably be better off using ChatGPT, Google Bard, or other AI tools to help you write the bulk of your content. I'll drop a video below with the full tutorial for writing search-optimized blogs with ChatGPT. Being good with AI means knowing when to use specific tools, because there isn't one AI tool that can do everything. I mean, that's basically the reason we created our YouTube channel. Once I was done, I even added this cool menu widget to showcase my blogs, and it looked really clean. So the next thing I wanted to test was SEO, because in order to get traffic to our website, it needed to be search optimized. Hocoos does have an SEO dashboard where you can add keywords, meta titles, and meta descriptions for each blog or other parts of your website. Unfortunately, Hocoos AI cannot come up with the keywords you should include, so I guess we'll need to build our SEO strategy with other SEO tools. Good thing we already have a few preferred ChatGPT SEO plugins that we use. If you want to see our favorite SEO plugins, watch this video linked below. Okay, so now that I have my website and blog, I still want to see what else the website has to offer. So let's see how Hocoos measures analytics. Hocoos shows you how many views you get, where your readers are from, which pages are the most popular, and how people are accessing your website. I've seen a lot of analytics dashboards, and they can get really complicated, but Hocoos was straightforward and easy to follow. By the way, Hocoos websites are automatically compatible with phones and tablets. If you've built websites the old-fashioned way, you know how time-consuming reformatting for mobile is, so I'm definitely a fan of this feature. And if you have an e-commerce site, the Store app makes it easy to edit the meta descriptions for products and gives easy-to-export reports for all sales data. To make the most of your website traffic, the smart move is to collect email addresses, which was only 3 steps in Hocoos. First, create a subscribe form, build the mailing list, and then create an email campaign. Hocoos does not offer AI assistance for writing marketing campaign content, but the dashboard makes it easy to track how many people are subscribing and what sort of conversions my emails are getting. Hocoos is also integrated with Google Ads, Google Analytics, and Google Search Console, and I'm curious to see how these integrations help website conversions in the future. So from start to finish, it took about 2 hours to format our website and publish a few blogs, saving tons of time and effort in the process. Definitely more than 5 minutes, but honestly 2 hours is still super fast for a website. Plus, the actual generation of the website by Hocoos did only take about 5 minutes. The other thing I liked about Hocoos was that as someone who doesn't have any coding experience and minimal experience with WordPress, I can confirm that Hocoos was easy to use. And I think our website looks pretty good. Check it out at aimarketingandcreatortools.com and let us know in the comments what you think. Before I share what could be improved, remember that there's a link to try Hocoos in the description. When it comes to areas where Hocoos fell short, I have to start with the AI features. We review and use a ton of existing AI writing tools that each have templates and prompts to get quality AI outputs, but Hocoos' AI writer felt a little basic. I really want to feel like my AI outputs are better than ChatGPT, and for an AI website builder, I think they could incorporate more on the writing side so you don't need to leave the platform. Also, it would be nice to have more SEO features since it's such a core part of a website. But overall, once I was done, I was excited to have built my first website, and it was easy to use even though I didn't really feel like I was using AI that much. Regardless of AI capabilities, Hocoos got the job done, and now we have our website, so we're gonna go celebrate. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell if you haven't already. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.